Good afternoon. This is Karen Spar, Executive Vice President of the Southport Oak Island Area Chamber of Commerce, and we just had the pleasure to cut the ribbon on GANO Jewelers here in Oak Island at 8001 East Oak Island Drive. Good afternoon. Please introduce yourselves.
Good afternoon. I'm James GANO. This is my wife, Galena GANO. We are the owners of GANO Jewelers, veteran family owned and operated. We're out here at Oak Island, here on 8001 East Oak Island Drive, Suite B. We're just across from Shagger Jack's. If you like to get something to eat, come on by.
Tell me a little bit about your cases here. You have some beautiful jewelry.
Sure. Go ahead, Galena.
Everybody likes the sparkle, right?
Yes, this is a beautiful alternative band. This is lab-grown diamonds and 14 karat white gold. We can make them in natural or lab-grown diamonds. Natural diamonds are more expensive, obviously. Lab-grown diamonds are less expensive. People tend to buy lab-grown diamonds because they're less expensive. And with us, since we're a new business, we don't mark up as much. So come check them out. Here's some bracelets. They're stretchy. This is 14 karat gold, lab-grown diamonds.
You do custom
Yes, we do custom.
watch repair?
Yes. We do watch repair, we do custom, we do sizing, resizing, remounting, any repairs. You can also look up on Google our reviews, our business, and we also have Facebook. So, we have
Definitely
a channel
follow us
set.
at GANO Jewelers for Facebook.
That sounds great. Well, we sure appreciate you being in our business community and wish you many years of success in this beautiful jewelry shop here on Oak Island at 8001 East Oak Island Drive. GANO
GANO Jewelers.
Jewelers. Thank you
Thank
for
you.
being with us.
Thank you.
Thank you.